Lil Evo dumb, call it a bum. You know that he smells, call it rum. You know he's dumb, he stinks like a bum, just like dumb. You know that Lil Evo gonna pull up to the crib. It's some Nikes, what's that? You know that he's gonna get the Pisces. Yeah, you know that we gonna pull up with the fucking sticks. You know that we gonna pull up. Hey, we gon' pull a, not a fucking pull out. We don't you wish your parents pulled out because Lil Evo is dumb. Lil Evo.
Sniff my bum.
Go ahead,
Sniff my bum.
go ahead, sniff my bum because you are really dumb. Because I am number one every single day, looking at the views more than you. Every single day, you are number two. Every single day, I'm number one. Every single day, I throw up not because I'm sick. I'm looking at you, not because I'm sick. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. Now it's back to the disses. Don't you wish your mommy would come get you kisses? Because every single time you cry, wham wham. Because every single time you cry, wham wham. Because every single time you cry, you think of brown bird. Then you get excited. Then you head to the bedroom. I don't know why you head to the bedroom though. Every single
time I try to open the door, it's locked. Every single time I try to open the door, I hear you playing with
slime. Every single
Lil Evo song is wasting time.
You know that cash is really good, but with cash, Lil Evo has it, so it's bad. Every single day, Lil Evo misses his dad. Hey, my man, I'm sorry for dissing you. That was just a joke, dude, I'll prove it to you. Every single day I think about Lil Evo and how cool he is. I hope that we can all just be friends again. Cash it, pick up me a beat, and I put it in the clip. Getting cash every day, but I put it in the stick. You know that every day I put the cash in the stick, shoot it out. That's a D, every single day getting cash. That's not hard.